husband had filed for divorce, and they're still living together. And she was saying that they were going to be amicable, and she hired me, and she said her husband had already filed, and that she didn't think he had an attorney, and there's some mistakes on the paperwork. The length of marriage had been shortened to just under 10 years, and she thought that was a little funny. Anyways, she hired me to get a response in because she was kind of on the fence of whether or not it was going to be amicable or not. And when she sent the paperwork over, it was probably definitely not going to be. Can you say probably definitely not going to be amicable because husband had an attorney, which means that through that consultation, they probably discussed shortening the length of marriage. They're trying to play a game with the long-term marriage and spouse support issues, I imagine. But, I talk about I don't normally file responses when I'm working with both spouses, but in this case, I had to recommend we do. Number one, it didn't appear to be amicable. Husband had an attorney, and she only had 1 day left to get the response in. So we got that in and provided her corrected, updated data separation, which put them clearly over 10 years. That'll be, that's not things that we address. They'll come up at either trial or through their negotiations and settlement on the length and duration of spouse support.